Improper pressure welding is a manufacturing error commonly found in IDC cables. In this video, we will demonstrate how this error occurs and the importance of harness testing in preventing issues. IDC cable defects can arise from cable misalignment during the pressure welding process, excessive or insufficient pressure, and inadequate tool maintenance. Such improper pressure welding can lead to unintended shorts, disconnections, or contact proximity. For IDC cables, both wiring testing and withstand voltage testing are essential. Additionally, the implementation of momentary disconnection testing has proven effective in enhancing product quality. Wiring testing checks the wiring and ensures there are no unintended shorts or disconnections. With withstand voltage testing, high voltage is applied to detect any discharge phenomenon. Defective IDC cables can cause issues during withstand voltage testing due to terminal proximity or misalignment. The adjacent pins are self-explanatory. Employing the flat application method allows for withstand voltage testing with just 2 applications. IDC cables typically have a rated voltage of around 300 volts. It is crucial to avoid using IDC cables on the test adapter side during high voltage testing. The adoption of momentary disconnection testing is on the rise due to increasing demand. Improper pressure welding can lead to loose contacts over time, resulting in failures. Many cases of defective products have been reported due to vibration or shock during transportation or field use, even when they initially passed the wiring test. In the test, monitor continuity during vibrations and shocks. Momentary disconnection testing is becoming increasingly important for devices with advanced functionality to prevent momentary disconnection defects caused by vibration or shock. We recommend using the NMG Plus high-pot cable harness tester to identify pressure welding defects in IDC cables. We suggest utilizing our well-proven Nachman series testers to enhance product quality.
NAC Corporation.